Hi everyone, if you want to add a collaboration to an Instagram post after you've already posted it, follow these steps. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon to navigate to your profile page. Find and open the post you want to add a collaboration to. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. A menu will appear, select Edit. This will open the post in edit mode. At the top of your post, you should see an option that says Add Paid Partnership Label. Tap on it. If you don't see this button, don't worry. I'll show you how to get it in just a moment. On the next screen, toggle on the Add Partnership Label switch. You will then be able to add your collaborations here. If you don't see the Add Paid Partnership Label button, follow these additional steps. Return to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Help, then tap Report a Problem. Choose Report a Problem again if prompted. If the issue persists, write a message to Instagram explaining that you want to add a collaboration to your post but can't find the option. You can use a message like, I cannot add a collaboration to my Instagram post after I posting it. I don't want to delete my post and repost it again. Please resolve my problem and enable the feature for me so I can add collaborations. After composing your message, send it to Instagram. They should respond within a day or two. Instagram will review your request and help you resolve the issue. And that's it. You should now know how to add collaborations to your Instagram posts. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a comment below and let me know. See you in the next video.